Alright, so we're out on a boat. Tokyo. No, we're not. We're not in Tokyo. We're in fucking Niigata. Fucked that up, didn't I? Alright, where are we, Yuki?
We are, well, right in front of Niigata Station.
So we're in Niigata Station. Ooh. And if you can't notice, dudes outnumber chicks in this city fucking 30 to 1. There's the first chick we've seen. And this guy's trying to do porno. There's another chick. And there's another chick. That's it. 3 chicks, 4 chicks.
It's like 30 to 1.
It really is.
It really is. Okay, there's
31.
This doesn't make sense. Tokyo is
Alright, and then there's girl bars. There's literally girls bars in every corner. And if you don't know what a girls bar is, it's literally the saddest thing on the planet. Guys pay money for girls to sit and drink with them. That's it. No happy ending. Nothing. That's it. See? Girls bar. Girls bar. Girls bar. Girls waiting in the girls bar. Girls bar. Girls from a girls bar. Not bad if you ask me, but I'm not paying for them just to drink. Anyways, so we're gonna go into this place.
2 guys and 1 girl. Oh, is it?
Alright, we're going there. Next video is us doing karaoke. Yeah. Alright, so we're on our first drink here, and I'm going to order a second drink. Okay, watch my Japanese skills. Sumimasen! Moi pai onegaishimasu. I'm good at that, huh? I've had my practice doing beer. Anyways, so we're at a karaoke bar. And it's gay. I don't know why it's gay. Yukari is the only pair of boobies. Oh wait, there's a girl over there. Okay, there's 2 pairs of boobies. Arigato gozaimasu.
Arigato? Okay.
Nani? What? What's it from?
Arigato?
Arigato.
Arigato.
Arigato, whatever. Sounds the same. Anyways, cheers.
Chris, my friend, you need a big vagina in your face.
He's right.
And use it to get muscle wealthy. Hey! Concept that works for 20 other million white brown persons.
But you know how many fish in the sea you'll be
So empty without me.
na 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 na. Come jump in, bimbo friend, let us do it again. Hit the town, full around, let's go party.
You can touch, you can play. If you say I'm always yours.
Barney Bon. Number 2.
Cheers!
Cheers. Cheers. Hey. Bar number 2 and karaoke all around, huh? GoPro, hey. Come on, hey, konnichiwa. Kanpai. Cheers. Hajimemashite. Hajimemashite. That easy to make friends. Okay, where are we now, Yukari?
We are right in front of Niigata Station and we all fucking drunk.
Yep, that's true. We are, yeah. I feel like I'm gonna throw up pretty soon. So.
But Eric wants to get some food now, and then Chris is
If
gonna
there's
puke.
anything, we're in the boonies.
The
Ghost
sticks.
town.
We're in the sticks. Yeah. But yeah,
Ain't
no.
shit to do.
No.
We're with Yukari, so we find the party.
This.
What I'm gonna do is these 2 fucking drunk Canadian guys.
This is
What I'm gonna do?
What are you gonna do? I don't know.
This is Niigata. Yep. Yep. La-di-da, Niigata. Yeah.
La-di-da-di.
This is Niigata Ginza.
Yep.
La-di-da-di.
Hey, look. There's a bus stop. Yep. La-di-da. Okay.
La-di-da-di. I feel the
Da-di-da.
body.
So we'll add to this later. Peace.
Going with my cock.
Okay. So our night has come to an end. I have drank all the beer that I can drink.
Come, Eric, come.
Hey guys, welcome to Niigata.
Okay, Yukari, where are we?
We are at the Bandai Bridge, which is the symbol of Niigata City. Can you see that bridge arch shape? Yeah. And that's next. It's called Next 21 building over there.
Okay. So,
And there, that's Rainbow Tower.
There's no way the GoPro's gonna catch
nope.
Okay, whatever.
Okay.
Anyway.
That is our Sunday night in Niigata. Maybe it'll be a little bit more to this video tomorrow. But we'll see. We'll see. All right. Otsukare. See you.
Don't throw up, Chris. Don't throw up.
All right, everybody. This is my first official video on my new GoPro. Hey, what's up? Eric and I are here having a romantic weekend. And yes, we are completely naked in a tub together with this background.
Hey guys, welcome to Niigata. You're not supposed to bring a GoPro or a camera in an onsen, so don't follow this guy.
Yeah, don't do as I say, not what I do. Anyways, check out that view, pretty sweet. There's a little river going down there. Eric's little chinko that way. My big ass chinko. Oh, actually probably shouldn't do that because we can't see mine. Well, there goes my Facebook post. Anyways, let's see.
Sorry, dude. I'll sit down again.
Yep, I think my thing's waterproof. Alright, gotta stop because someone's gonna watch me do this. Looks like we're taking the video, buddy. Alright, video number 2 with no Eric dick in it. We're on a bridge, watch Eric freak out. I did that like 2 seconds ago and he feel like, holy fuck. Anyways, check this out. Oh, GoPro sucks ass. It's showing the view. There's a big ass mountain up there. Anyways, so that's where the river goes. And that was the onsen place we were just at. Anyways. This homo wanted me to make a video, I don't know why. Anywho, yeah. Can't see that mountain at all, but it looks pretty cool. You done, asswipe? Take a panorama. Alright, on to the next video. Peace. Yuki! What are we doing?
Fishing.
Eric, having fun?
I am just chilling.
He's being a little girl. Anywho, we're out. We're out and about doing some fishing. There's me rod. And there's a Hakto, there's a Toshi, there's a fishing net.
Bye-bye.
Konnichiwa! Konnichiwa! No sakana! No sakana! One, ichipun, ichi, how do you say 1 hour? Ichijikan, 0 fish. One. Anyways, you want to see what the ocean looks like? No fish. Anyways, see you back in a bit if we get some fish. Yeah, we're on hour 3 of no sakana, no fish. Fish? Sakana? 0? No. He means 0 fish. They're biting? What are they doing? Oh, they're nipping? Eric, having fun, buddy? Alright, well, I'm 3 or 4 beers in on an empty stomach, so at least I'm having fun. Anyways, next time I make a video, we'll hopefully have fish. Peace!
Yay!
Fuck off, he's got a fish already?
Oh, shit!
Oh, you got one.
Yay! Sashimi time!
Oh. Hey, Toshi, what's it?
Video.
Oh, there it is. There's the sashimi, ladies and gentlemen.
Kare.
Koliwa? Koliwa? Nani, name?
You know the flat fish that they swim like this.
Alright, there's fish number 1. What are we doing, Yuki?
Fishing.
Do it. Dozo.
No.
Do it. Do it.
No.
Do it. All right, so we're on hour 4, 5 of fishing. Eric, how you doing, buddy?
Tired.
He's not too happy. He's one unhappy Canadian. Anyways, after 5 hours, here's what we managed to get. Fuck, this camera sucks with low light. All right, so that guy's called a hobo. 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 And those are the guys I got. And then we got these big motherfuckers. I don't know what they're called, but Karoke. But they're kind of like walleye. Like they swim sideways.
And hirame.
And some weird other one. Anyways, not too bad. And that's all on film there, Eric. All right, so I guess we're gonna put another hour in or so, and then we're gonna go home and yeah. All right, cool.
You're gonna jerk off.
Chris
Thanks, Eric.
is driving boat.
Motoring.
How? Wait.
I'm the captain.
Take off for your
Eric.
I forgot to hide my junk this time. All right, start this video over again. All right, so we're in another onsen. This time we're hiding our junk, and it smells like shit. Why does it smell like shit, Eric?
Because of the sulfuric water.
Hide your ding dong, buddy.
Natural onsen, so yeah.
Hide your ding dong.
No, I think you won't see it on that camera. Blur it out like the Japanese porn.
Yeah, I gotta figure out how to edit. But anyways, yeah, we're still in another onsen, and it's sulfur. We're not allowed to have a camera, so.
Sulfuric water.
Yeah. And I'm hungover as fuck. So, anyways. Alright, we're gonna check out. Yeah, we're not allowed to have a camera or anything, so we're kind of in the private here. Yeah. Anyways, peace. After your onsen, what are we doing?
We're eating.
Eating noodle. Bro. What do you got? Alright, I got some cold udon with this shit. Alright, what do you got?
This is warm udon mixed with vegetables. So yeah.
What do you got, Yuki?
This is hiyashichuka, which is samaki.
Cool. Itadakimasu.
And now we're going back to Niigata by train.
Now we're in Niigata Station, and we're at the, what do you call it? Sake vending machines. So for $5, you get these tokens and a small cup. And you go up to these vending machines here, put in your token, and drink some sake. Eric, sake it to me, buddy.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright.
Have you done this before?
Yeah. Alright, so you look for...
Hey, where's
It's only in Japanese.
Great.
This is a percentage of ramen.
I don't care, where's the 15% one? 18%. Let's do it. So this one? So can I get my money back?
You have to put this here.
Cool. Cheers, buddy.
interesting.
God, I hate sake. Alright, good. Yeah. Alright. Take it. Push it. Feel it.
Yeah. You should go slower, dude, with your camera. Bye, buddy.
Cheers, brother. Yeah, hate sucking. Hate it. Hate it, hate it, hate it. Here I am breaking the law. I'm not sure if you can see that behind me. That sign says no smoking. What am I doing? Smoking. So time for Nihongo lesson. Alright, say watashi wa gaijin desu. Wakanai. That means I'm a foreigner. I don't know. Peace. Final video of Niigata. So, Eric and I are here. Don't mind this guy back here. He has an uncanny way of falling asleep anywhere, anytime. It's incredible and stupid at the same time. Anyways, we're on a bus. This is our view. We're heading back to Tokyo. Clearly you can see I'm dressed. I gotta go to work. It sucks. Anyways, thank you for joining us on our trip to Niigata. I forgot to film a lot of shit, but hopefully you enjoy the video. Peace for now.